Welcome to TPI, the global leader in test products. Today we are taking a closer look at our model HXG 2D combustible gas leak detector. What is really nice about the model HXG2 is the 16-inch flexible gooseneck to get in and around hard to reach places. The HXG 2D will read in real-time parts per million from 0 to 990 parts per million and will automatically read an LEL percentage above this level. Sensitivity can be adjusted manually using the preset tick button to easily pinpoint leak sources. The HXG 2D is intrinsically safe, Class 1 Div 1, and meets US UL 913 standard, acceptable for BPI. And as with all TPI products, you can ensure that you're receiving a quality product at a great price with the added security of a 3-year warranty and a lifetime of support. So go ahead and test the TPI Advantage now.